Tired of running back and forced to hit a menu switch? Don't let a clunky workflow kill your creativity. Today, I'm showing you the AVS1875 vacuum changer that offers 3 modes. Finally, set your hands free. Mode 1. Flow and power protection. Mode 1 is all about syncing with your flow. Plug in your corded toes, and it senses your rhythm. Trimmer on, vacuum on. What's amazing is the soft start protection. With its 20 amperes industrial-grade relay, it handles the heaviest power surges, so you can run high-power tools simultaneously without ever blowing a fuse. Mode 2. Smart IoT connectivity. If you are building a modern shop, Mode 2 is your gateway to the IoT world. It's specifically designed to give your CNC or Pro Gear smart connectivity. By using a dedicated signal bridge, it creates a precision link that's instant and zero latency. It's the ultimate IoT upgrade for your equipment. And don't worry about the power. The internal 14 AWG heavy-duty copper bars ensure everything stays cool and safe while your smart workshop does the work for you. Professional, synchronized, and safe. Mode 3. Wireless freedom and range. Mode 3 is my personal favorite, the soulmate for cordless tools. Even if your tool has no cord, you can trigger the vacuum with a single tap on the remote clipped to your apron. It has 100 range with incredible wall-penetrating power, so the vacuum listens to you from anywhere. Add this mode, and your shop stays spotless. Wireless freedom, control within reach.